Today I am going to teach you how to make this single wave bracelet. This is what it ends up looking like. It's one of my favorites, but it's actually pretty easy, which I think is awesome. People like to get it, they think that you're really good, but all you have to be able to do is a forward knot and a backward knot. If you don't know how to do those yet, check out my V-stripe video, and that'll teach you how to do both of them. Alright, so to get this one started, you actually need 10 pieces of string. They don't need to be very long though, because you're not knotting each one very much. You need 4 of one color and 3 of 2 other colors. And the way you're going to arrange them is in pairs. So whichever one you have 4 of, you want that to be first. Then you want 2 of your other pairs, and that should leave you with one mismatched set. You want whichever one you have 4 of to be first and last, so this one and this one, and the way that you have it. Okay, so these 2 are my mismatched one. I have one green and one blue one. It's nice to have it like this because then you never have to doubt whether this one is your bass string or not. Alright, so we want to think of this bass string like a river. And all of these strings want to get over the river and cross to this side, but the only way they can do that is by knotting the river twice. So you want to move them over one at a time, in the order that they come. Alright, so I'm going to start with this first white string, and I'm going to make knots traveling to the left. So I make my 4 backwards, pull it through, tighten it up, do it again. You always have 2 knots on every string. Do the same thing with the next white string. Backwards 4, pull it through, ooh, that was bad, tighten it up. Backwards 4, pull it through, tighten it up. Now I'm ready for my first blue string. Backwards 4, pull it through. You want to make sure you hold it on the left because you're traveling to the left. Tighten it up. Backwards 4, pull it through, tighten it up. Alright, that one's crossed. Next blue one. Backwards 4, pull it through, tighten it up. Backwards 4, pull it through, tighten it up. Now the green ones. Backwards 4, pull it through, tighten it up. Same thing again, backwards 4, pull it through, tighten it up. Next green one, backwards 4, pull it through, tighten it up. Again. So you can see that they're all lining up on top of each other, instead of side by side like they would for a candy stripe. Last 2, backwards 4, pull it through, tighten it up, backwards 4, pull it through, tighten it up, last one, backwards 4, pull it through, tighten it up, backwards 4, pull through, tighten it up. Okay, so now they've all crossed the river. And you can see that it's already starting to make your wave. You can see how they're loose on the side, and that's what you want. Okay, so now to make the wave go this way, you have to go the other way. To do that, you have to make knots traveling to the right. So for those, you make a forward 4 over the river, pull it through, and you have to make 2, because in order to cross the river, they have to do it twice. Now I go to my next white one. Make the 4, bring it through, do it twice. Now the next green one. Do it twice. Now this green one. 4, pull it through, 4, pull it through. Now I'm on to blue. On to the next blue one. On to the last white ones. And the last one. Alright, so now they're all across the river again. You want to make sure you kind of untangle it between each one. Sometimes it looks like it's not going to look quite right as soon as you finish a wave, but when you do the next wave, it just all kind of tightens right up and makes everything pretty. So now that they're over here, all you do is you cross them back over to the left, using knots traveling to the left. Then you go back over to the right, cross back over to the left, until it's the right length. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. Good luck!